This is the DJI Mic 2, and it may very well be the best microphone that you can get today on the market for its audio quality and its size. And if you're a car enthusiast like me, you don't like to carry around big microphones wherever you go whenever you want to try to capture a moment of a car's exhaust or intake, or carry around secondhand microphones that don't plug into your phone directly. So the DJI Mic 2 just might be the trick. Now, for clarity of this video, all the audio that you have been listening to has been straight raw audio and is going to stay that way till the end of the video. Now, the only thing that is applied to this video are the gain levels that are set from the receiver itself. I have the rear microphone set at -12, and then I'll have the gain set up here in the engine bay as well. I also have 32-bit recording put on there, plugged into my phone. And actually, right now there's a semi going down with its jag brakes, but I'm pretty sure the microphone is picking up my voice just fine. So there's a small little test in there for you. But in my opinion, the microphones sound good straight from out of the box and don't really need much audio enhancing. So let's see how they do.